name is Lemmens. I'm an R&D project manager here at IB Industrial, and today I'm happy to introduce you to the variable scan. What is this R&D feature about? Well, first let's speak about a very important need for the customer when performing sterilization: giving the right dose to the product. Because at the same time you have to ensure that the product is kept under the beam during a sufficient time to ensure minimum dose. This is directly linked to throughput, but also make sure that the maximum dose in the product doesn't exceed a threshold in order to avoid damaging the product or to respect regulatory limits. And this ensures that you are compatible with a large product versatility. The ratio between the maximum and the minimum dose is called the dose uniformity ratio, and it gives you a good idea of how evenly the dose is distributed across the product. The lower it is, the better it is, this ratio. And with variable scan applied to X-ray solution, we optimize this dose uniformity ratio. How it works? Well, radiation sources diverge and scatter, and this creates banana effect and edge sites effect. With variable scan, we modify the scanning speed in order to compensate this effect, as you can see on the video, and at the same time to adapt to the product being treated. Therefore, with variable scan, we obtain competitive dose uniformity ratio, increased throughput, and all of that while ensuring compatibility with a large product versatility.
The way we design the best variable scan recipe for the customer is by first doing a Monte Carlo simulation on the customer product to understand which part of the target has what dose impact into that product. With that data, we can run an optimization and get a theoretical recipe. We take it to the site with the customer and we try it out on real products, and we do some adjustments so that we make sure that we get always the best dose uniformity possible.
This process allows us to customize the solution to each customer needs. Therefore, it is a collaborative journey towards the perfect sterilization solutions.